Hey, here we are gonna make a shake. Here I put some Smarties, M&M's. There's a banana in there. I don't know how many bananas. 3 bananas, 4 ice cubes, and a nice, good-looking cone. And mixed berries. The berries are blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and ice cream in there. Chocolate ice cream. And what else do we got in there? And we got ocean in there too. And then we're gonna put some juice in there. 100% breakfast orange juice. Hopefully it turns out well. Oh, there's the bananas. And here's the package of berries we used. Compliments. We just crushed that up, so we're gonna get ready to blend it.
That looks like
A little bit of this in there. Shake it up. Set it on low. Juice in there. Put the color back on. Let's crush it. Good drink in there. Looks good so far. Looks promising. Looks yummy. Look at all these berries mixing up. Let it up, mix up for a good minute. Got myself a good cup. And there. And that's my drink. Everybody had ice cream and all that, but I wanted this. Yum.